Selvajan, Assistant Professor of Roman College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to explain about sewer appurtenances. First of all, what is sewer appurtenances? Sewer appurtenances means some of the structures constructed along the sewer lines for proper working of sewer lines and other structures. Following are the sewer appurtenances provided for proper inspection, operation, maintenance for the appurtenances. Following are the various appurtenances used in the sewer line. First one, manhole, then drop manhole, then oil and grease trap, then inverted siphon, and a pumping station. First of all, we have to discuss about manhole. Manhole is the most important structure used in sewerage system. It is made either a masonry or RCC structures. It is constructed along the sewer lines for sewer lines for providing access into them. The manhole helps for inspection, cleaning, and maintenance of the sewer. These manholes are provided at every bend, junction, change of gradient or change of diameter of the sewer, and at fixed interval of 100 to 150 meter. The sewer line between the two manholes is laid straight with even gradient. For straight sewer line, manholes are provided at a regular interval depending upon the diameter of the sewer. It provides access to sewer for inspection and cleaning purposes. Following are the components are provided in the manholes. First one, access shaft, then working chamber, then ladder, then foundation, and cover. Manhole may be either shallow depth or deep. First one is access shaft. Access shaft is provided for entering for inspection purpose. First one is access shaft, the portion hole starting from the cover and going down to the full depth is access shaft. The height of the access shaft is 0.9 to 1.5 meter is provided. Then working chamber, the lower portion of manhole with vertical wall is called working chamber. And then steps or ladder. Steps or ladder is provided for inspection man to enter into the chamber. This ladder is provided installed permanently or temporarily. First one, foundation nest. Bottom of manhole is made up of concrete and is called invert. It is sloping towards the channel, which is part of sewer. Then top portion of the manhole is cover. The manhole is provided with a frame on the top, which is firmly embedded in pavement. It is to withstand the load of traffic. As top appurtenances, drop manhole. Drop manhole is constructed to provide a connection between two sewers when the difference of elevation between the two pipes is greater than or equal to 60 cm. The drop manhole has a vertical pipe to prevent the turbulence in the manhole and to allow the maintenance work to enter the manholes safely. In this, manholes are provided along the sewer line. When the sewer line is main sewer line is higher than the branch sewer line. It avoids an unnecessary steep gradient and thus save a large quantity of earthwork. Drop manholes can be inspected horizontally like a manhole. Sewer appurtenances is grease and oil trap. In this grease and oil trap, tanks are provided in commercial unit, restaurant, dwelling, and other places which discharges oil and grease in their effluent. The grease and oil traps should be used to remove it before they enter the sewage pipes. If Suppose we enter grease and oil traps in the sewage line, it decreases the sewage carrying capacity. So before entering the sewage, this grease and oils are removed. Grease and oil affect the sewers and treatment plant equipment. That is why they should be removed. In case of the pipes, grease sticks to the walls and collect sand and other solids, leading eventually to the decrease in the pipe diameter and sometimes to complete clogging. So we have to provide all the areas in commercial unit, restaurant and other industrial areas.